This is a piece of paper. It is in the shape of a rectangle. A rectangle is special because it has 4 right angles. Let's mark them out on this piece of paper. We can fold the rectangle along a line like this. And we get 2 triangles. Let's make the line darker. Let's color one of the triangles to make it clearer. And tada! We have a triangle. This triangle has a right angle at the corner. Let's fold the rectangle in half like this. And then we open up. And you can see that we have split the triangle as well. Let's cut out the top part of the triangle. So I have cut out the top part of the triangle. Can we move the top part somewhere else? Look! I can move the top part of the triangle down to form a rectangle. What fraction of the area of the rectangle is the area of the triangle?